For the second time in weeks, a Houthi missile aimed at Israel has veered off course, landing in Saudi Arabia. This raises serious questions. Are the Houthis losing their grip, or is this a sign of desperation? With Saudi Arabia already on high alert, the pressure is mounting for a decisive response. Meanwhile, the U.S. has intensified its air campaign, targeting Houthi missile sites. Iran's network of proxies, often referred to as the Ring of Fire, is feeling the heat. As tensions rise, the world watches closely. What's next for the Middle East?